Okay, quick update before it starts to rain here. I got the knock sensors plugged in, so here's the wire that goes down there. Knock sensors plugged in. It also plugs into the back of the harness. Back here, there's a very big circular connector like hidden under there. Sorry, I don't have any light or I'd show you. But yeah, it's hidden, trust me, it's hidden under there. I got it plugged in. I think it's like right, nah, it's a square one for the trans. Yeah, it's hidden like right under there. So undid all the bolts, lifted this thing up a little bit just so I could get it to plug it in. So that's all good. I'm leaving this fuel line because we need to drain the fuel tank because there's old gas in it. So I'm just gonna hook like some 1/2-inch line on that and jump the pump or do something like that. But yeah, this thing's getting there. That was the last little hurdle. I went through, made sure everything was tight, so that's all good. So yeah, hopefully next weekend we can finish up the last few things, like put oil in it, coolant in it, put fuel in it, and start it up. Oh yeah, I'm hoping the exhaust comes, and the blade, I need to do the brakes, and the brakes need to be bled. There's like nothing in the power steering. That's okay because we got power steering fluid inside. But yeah, yeah, all the brakes are rusty. They all need to be bled. And I have brand new pad and rotors coming. So that's probably what we're gonna get up to next weekend. But oh yeah, I got the hood on too. But for now, that's all we got. It's definitely looks like it's about to rain. So I'm gonna cut it here.